Calling from C.P.P Plus. Today we're gonna just review some products. We're gonna talk about how I experience them and how you can use them to get the maximum results. So the first product we're gonna go over is the C.P.P Plus Whey Protein, which is a WPC. WPC, you can see it here. WPC means whey protein concentrate. So we have two types of protein. We have concentrate and isolate. So I'm gonna briefly go over the differences with the concentrate and isolate. So the only difference that concentrate and isolate have is that concentrate has 80% of protein yield and isolate has 90% of protein yield. So that means if you're looking for a protein that could be meal replacement, that you can drink in the morning as breakfast, you can drink during the day. If you're looking for a protein that could be a meal replacement, C.P.P Plus Whey Protein Concentrate is a product you're looking for. It has vitamin D on it. The reason that it has vitamin D on it is that when they were designing the product, they thought about that athletes need more vitamins and more essentials to improve their health and the skin health. So that's why we have vitamin D in this product. So as we can see, this product has 28 gram protein, the whole box, and each scoop, so it's 80% per serving protein. So the main reason that athletes use protein, because protein enhances the performance, the athlete performance, because when we work, when our muscle works, our muscles break down and protein fills up that breakdown parts and then we get a bigger muscle. So protein is the most essential nutrient that we need as athlete, and we need that to grow. Go check out on the website for whey protein, order yours and send us a review for this product. Thank you so much.